Hi there, today I have for you one of those amazing 1 pan, 1 pound of ground beef dishes. This one is so packed full of flavor. Today we're making a tamale pie. And my 1 pound of ground beef, well, it's brown Percy because I want pasture raised, grass-fed, grass-finished for my ground beef. So a couple things we're gonna do to start is we're gonna get probably about 2 cups of beef stock. And we're gonna get that on the stove because we just want it nice and warm. So I also want some black beans, so I'm gonna get my black beans straining. So I've got my 10-inch cast iron skillet warming up over here. I'm gonna probably turn that to medium high heat. So into my pan, I'm gonna crumble up 1 pound of ground beef. And to that, I'm gonna add half of an onion and 1 poblano pepper. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of kosher salt and a half a teaspoon of my fresh cracked pepper, and I am doing my mixed pepper blend. And then I'm gonna add my seasoning blend. I have 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, 1/2 teaspoon each garlic powder, onion powder, and I did 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red chilies. And I'm just gonna let all of this cook together. So then I'm gonna add 3 cloves of garlic minced, and then I want a tablespoon of tomato paste, and I'm gonna let that cook for a good minute. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of hot sauce and about a teaspoon of Worcestershire. Beef stock warm over there. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of that. So I'm going to lower my heat and just let this cook. And picking up next, I'm going to get everything from my masa top together, but I'm not going to mix my wet and dry ingredients till I'm ready for them. So I'm going to do 1.5 cups of masa. And this is a really nice masa I get from Azure Standards, but I'll put a link to another brand that I like. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and then I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. That whisk together. Part of my wet, I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and I'm going to whisk an egg into that. And then I'm going to do 1 cup of my black beans, and I'm just going to let them cook for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. I just want to warm them through. So came off the heat. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of cheese, Monterey Jack, cheddar, whatever you want. And then we're going to do our top. So I'm going to go ahead and add that egg and that butter in here. I'm going to start with 1 1/4 cups of that warm beef stock, maybe up to 1.5 cups. So you want this to be the consistency of like pancake batter. So you might need to add a little more. I think that was perfect. We're not gonna have to add any more. And so you can kind of see how it looks like pancake batter. And then we're gonna pour that all over the top here. And then I like to leave just a little bit of space along the outer edges here, and that just helps to let steam escape. And now we're going into that 375 oven about 25 minutes. Here we are, hot out of the oven, and we gotta let it sit a few minutes. All right, Billy and I are so ready for this.
I want my sports back on.
Oh, I may even turn the sports off. It'll be worth it, baby. So here we have, look at that. We got this beautiful beef layer. We've got that tamale layer on top. Isn't that beautiful? So easy to do, quick, easy dinner to do. Everything so fresh and homemade. It's just beautiful. See y'all later. Bye.